Welcome. In this video we're going to solve an exponential equation 3 to the x equals 15. Now we've solved exponential equations before, but in those cases both base numbers could be written as powers of the same base. Now 15 cannot be written as a power of 3. So the method that we used previously for solving logarithmic equations isn't going to work. So this is the method that works in general. And what we do to solve an exponential equation is we take the log of both sides. Now we take either the common log or the natural log. It's up to you what you want to take. So I prefer to take natural logs. So if we do that, the natural log of 3 to the power of x is equal to the natural log of 15. Now what we'll do next is we'll bring that x down. We'll use the power rule, and we'll bring that x down in front. Okay, so that gives us x times the natural log of 3 is equal to the natural log of 15. And then if we want to get the x on its own, we just divide both sides by the log of 3. Because if we divide this by the log of 3, that'll leave x on its own. So let's divide both sides by the log of 3. And what happens on the left is the log of 3's cancel, so that just leaves you with x is equal to the log of 15 divided by the log of 3. And that's the correct answer. Now if you were asked to give your answer correct to a certain number of decimal places, you would go to your calculator and you would type in the log of 15. Now be careful here, because this is a fraction and you have to close the parentheses at the end of that top line. So log of 15 divided by the log of 3. Okay, log of 15 divided by the log of 3. Press enter. 2.4649. So let's say we wanted this correct to 3 decimal places. It would be 2.465. X equals 2.465. 2.465. So again, it depends on how you want it. If you want the precise answer, then this is what you're looking for. Log of 13 over log of 3. If you want your answer estimated to a certain number of decimal places, in this case 3 decimal places, this is the answer. Remember, this one is an approximation or an estimate. This one is the precise answer. Okay, thanks for watching.